Hi, my name is Julmua and I create a lot. I'm doing hair, makeup, sewing clothes, creating accessories, and taking pictures. And welcome to my another photography adventure. Thank you so much again for your support to all of my videos, especially the one who leave in the comments. It's actually really great and I appreciate this a lot. The concept of a shoot actually is a huge step outside of the box for me because when I'm doing my pictures, I want of my girls being like very pretty and glamorous, and for this one, I want to take another direction and try something more rebellious and fun. As usually I start with the clothes and I know that I want to have this like roses as a cutout on my t-shirt, and I even ended up having this nice chain sleeve.
First of all, gentle reminder that I'm not the actual sewer, so don't judge me a lot. I used existing t-shirt to outline and build my fit for everything. Then actually I had this amazing roses and I cut the roses that I wanted to use. I made the cutout in a t-shirt. Then actually I sew it all together and create this like cutout roses part, and I used just a normal chain to connect all of the roses together so it would have an illusion like it was embellished there and it was done on the factory. It's not what I was doing this. So yeah, it took a lot of time. It was like very time consuming, but result was really cute. Also, after I done with my roses, I realized that the t-shirt doesn't look that punk enough. So I used more metal to give it like less glamorous and more punk vibes. Then actually I created this amazing sleeve from the chain, and that was all.
The accessories was tricky because originally I just want to have this like glasses and the lip cuff, but then I realized that I'm still missing the earrings and look didn't work together as a whole. So I made this like nice shaped earrings, and then on the shoot I realized that my model Susie don't have a normal ear holes, she just have a tunnels. So I created this like handle for her ears.
For my glasses and lip cuff, I used very thin metal, so I created my desired form, I glued it to the wire, then I realized that the metal is not reflecting the light the way I want to, so I used more shiny fabric and I glued it to my metal originally, and then that was the look I really wanted. For the earrings, I just had this like heart shape paper and I used the normal fabric to outline it. I actually sew in the chain, make some embroidery, and my beautiful heart shape earrings was finally done.
For the look, I really want to have a green lips, and to balance things out, I create this like nice cool brow with a black beginning and a white end, and to balance everything out, I had this like nice gray smoky eyes.
My model Susie had the perfect hair for this look. I love the green hair, highlights, and the buzz cut was amazing. So I just styled her hair very updo. I make this like very intense brow on the beginning and then just ash them out. Then I created this like very dark gray metallic eyes, and then finally my dream green lips come true, and this was the whole look for Susie, and she actually nailed it. She modeled it from the toe. It was amazing and a blast.
As a background, I wanted to have this like green intense background to match the lips. Unfortunately, all of my pictures taken in the apartment, so I don't have a lot of a background, I don't have a lot of storage to store this. So for this one, I used 4 separate pieces of a paper. I just glue it on together on a wall, and this is my background.
And this is a very small footage of the modeling because I didn't notice that my phone battery was dead.
As a post-production, I need to fix the background, obviously, because it's not a real background. Also, I fixed the fit of the short, and that's the end result pictures. So this is the end result, and thank you so much for watching, for tuning in again. Please like, share, subscribe, repost. I hope you like my content, and I will see you next Tuesday.